This is the last video. I got them finished. I'll show you mine. As you can see, the bolt here, much bigger. U-bolts connected on there. Got some Loctite drawing. Got the big old hardware there. You can see how big that bolt is. Nut and bolt. Got all new hardware holding the motor on. Just overall, you know, nice and good. Good tension. Good throttle. Here's megayoursister's. That's his YouTube channel. Look it up. His is really slow. Really slow, folks. He got mad when I said that. Alright. So, same motor as mine, just not painted. Yeah. Tensioner on here. Got his same thing as me right here. U-bolts. He did his a little different. His peg setup's a little different. Mine's spun around and shorter. And here's his thing. He's run 13 miles. Let's see how many miles I've ran. Oh, look at that. 631.98. Woo. Yeah, that's it.